So today what I want to do is talking about making pre-filters for all your air filters and other equipment. Now, many air filters will use this kind of filtration material to act as a pre-filter before the main filters. And many manufacturers will give you a template for cutting this fabric. So what I do is I save all these templates in a box that I had the original filter material in. And what I do is if I have an air filter, and I have several that did not come with a template, and what I do is before I ever use that piece of equipment, no matter what it is, I will take a regular piece of paper and make a template for it. Because moving forward, it's going to be more and more difficult to get the pre-cut ones. And of course, pre-cut filters cost a whole lot more money than buying a roll of filter material and cutting your own. So as we move forward into this declining economic situation, it's going to be necessary for you to make your own filters. And what you don't want to do is use an old filter or pre-filter as a template, because when you do that, what you're doing is contaminating your new pre-filter and you're shortening the life of it. So what you want to do is get you a piece of paper, and if you have to tape several pieces of paper together, that's okay too, and make you a template for your filters. Because this filter material comes in about a 6-foot roll, and I usually get about 5 filters out of this material for the different kind of air cleaners I have and other equipment. So the next thing I'd like to mention is the fact that many manufacturers no longer make filters and pre-filters for the older machines that are no longer in production. And I've had a lot of success fixing people's air filters and rebuilding them and replacing the filtration systems using components I found on Amazon overseas in China. So once again, you can source a lot of parts for your air filters and air cleaners and equipment on Amazon overseas. So a lot of the main filters are still available from Chinese suppliers, even though the main manufacturers no longer import and distribute them. So just something to keep in mind to save money. Please comment, and we'll see you on the next video.